Hi, I'm Brenda with Nana's Hidden Apron. Today we have another craft, fall craft, and I hope I have this camera set right. What a learning experience. Crafting is much easier than video, I think. But I'm going to set the camera down and we'll get started on this little project. What I'm doing today is I want to make a fall candle centerpiece, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some. I'm going to take the lid. This is the lid on the from this jar, and I'm going to take some jute and glue it around here. Oops! I'm knocking leaves off everywhere. Of course I am. But I'm going to do that first, so let me get this done, and I'll be right back with you all. Okay, there we go. See that? The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of these leaves and glue them onto the top, and then hopefully not burn my fingers off. And then I'm going to put a pumpkin on top of it. So let me get this done. Go ahead and I hope you all can see me doing this. I don't know about all this. Scoot that out of the way. Can you see me? Well, not really me, but my hands anyway. So we're going to just glue that on there. Tap it down with the edge of this so I'm not burning my fingers. Getting a bunch of blisters. Yeah, you do crafting, you definitely end up with glue gun blisters. When you go to the craft shows, pretty obvious who's been running the glue guns. Okay, let's see here. You know what? I'm not so sure this is going to cover up as much as I want it to, but we'll see. See in just a minute. And there we go. Get one more. This is the one I want. Okay. Have you all been doing any crafting of your own yet? I'm enjoying it. Really starting to enjoy this. I'm going to put some of these little ones on the inside here. I have not been doing this real long, but one time I have been doing it, I do enjoy it, that's for sure. I have a Facebook page called Handcrafted By. You can search for it by doing @Nana's Hidden Apron, and you can see some of the projects that I've done. I also like to bake. I'm a self-taught baker, and I really enjoy making cakes and stuff for people, cookies, just whatever. I'm retired. I'm a Nana ×2 to 2 beautiful little girls. I said I never knew that my heart could love as much as it does now with grandchildren. You think your heart's full of love? Oh, if you ever have grandchildren. Can you see that? that cute? I'm going to glue it down on the sides too. But definitely love those grandbabies. I know it was almost a waste of time to do the jute around there, but still. See, there's a burn. There's a blister. Woo, doggies. I think I'm just going to glue the big ones down and let the little ones stand up. Actually. We'll see. But yes, grandbabies. What a joy. If you haven't yet, would you do me a favor, please, and subscribe to my channel? If you like what you're seeing, give me a thumbs up. If you have any comments, please put them down in the section below. If you have some ideas on something you'd like to see me try, besides burning my fingers with the glue gun, go ahead and make the suggestion for me, please. Okay. As I said on my earlier vlog, we also have a YouTube channel that's called KY Travelers. We enjoy cruising and riding motorcycle when I'm not baking or crafting. I'm telling you, I wish I quit burning my finger. You know what? Now somehow, that's got 2 leaves on it right there. Which tells me that I have 2 leaves. Okay, look, cute, huh? Cute. It's gonna go on top of there. All right, woo! Let me set this devil over here, out of my way. Yeah. Okay. Next thing I want to do is I've got some rocks. Just some rocks, you know. Get them from the Dollar Tree, or you can go down to the creek bank and pick them up. I'll bet you. I just don't have a creek close to me. Used to live out in the country when I was a child. Loved it. Got to play in the creek all the time. I'm going to scooch them around a little bit. Can you see that? Scoot them around a little bit. And then I got this, once again, Dollar Tree. This little votive candle. Gonna give it a shove down in there. Get them rocks moving around just a wee bit. There we go. How about that? Now, big question is, Brenda, is your lid going to go on? Is it going to close down when you don't have your candle on? Now, I just got a Dollar Tree candle because, you know, wanted to see if this idea was going to work or not. Oh, look at there, how cute. But, you know, you can put any candle in there, obviously. Any candle that you like. Any little votifs that you like. The scented candles, anything like that. Well, I think that's just turning out right cute. Okay? Next thing I'm going to do is, I've got a picture, and I'll put it here, of what this looked like before. I chopped it all up. Again, Dollar Tree. And what I think I'm going to do is, I think I want to glue these around the bottom. So, I'm going to put this on pause and see if I can't get these bent around there. And then I'll come back to you. See you in a little while. Okay, things didn't work out the way I wanted to, so I ended up having to pull all of these off of the little stalks. Pull the leaves off too, and I am gluing them around the jar, up in between the leaves. Burning my fingers off. But, you know, just like with baking, you come across some problems sometimes with crafting, and things just don't go as you planned them to. So, what do? You compromise. You compromise and come up with a better solution. Maybe not a better solution, but a good solution. And I'm also going to take, I believe I'm going to take some rope and put it around the bottom. Just to try to hide all the little stems from the leaves. Pretty sure that's what I'm going to do. After I get finished with this. But this is the last one, so I think it's going to be cute anyway. Yeah. Not what I started out doing, but I think it's going to be fine. Still cute. Yeah. Ooh, I have some glue strings running around here. See if I can't get some of these leaves to stand up. You know, I see people using glue guns, and they just, you know, they just like stick it on there and they're done with it. For whatever reason, I guess all in how much you pay for one. Mine don't do that. I have to hold it for a minute. If I had to take my rocks, you know, my creek rocks back out of it and all that, because I was having to turn it every which way. I'm telling you, something's got a hold of this thing. There, is that cute? Is that cute? Well, I hope so. And yeah, I'm going to go ahead and put that piece of rope around the bottom there. Hang on just a second. Let me step over and get this. Somewhere I got some rope. Hopefully I've got enough. And no, that's not my kitchen scissors. I have a couple pair of those, so thank goodness. Because I was definitely in need. Here we go. All right. Yeah. I'm going to take it and go, I think, all the way around the bottom. Yeah, that way it hides. See? That's what it's going to look like. Okay. I'll be back in just a minute. There we go. Okay, I got it started, so go ahead and load this glue around there. Yeah, I do not know why that would not stick. I guess that stem was just so heavy and it wouldn't quite bend the way I wanted it to. You can see I tried to bend them, but they just wouldn't. They just wouldn't bend the way I wanted them to at all. Who would have thunk it, right? Alright, let me give this a cut here. There we go. Whoops. I'm telling you, Butterfingers. These are coming in handy for something. It's called keeping me from burning my fingers. You know what? I'm going to have to cut some more of this off. And hope I don't mess it up in the process. There we go. Cool. Just like downtown. Just like downtown on a Saturday night. Yeehaw. Nah. We live in a little country kind of town. Look at that. Cute. Yeah. Yep. Good. You pour these rocks back in there again. That pushed down in there. Come on. I know you can't really see the rocks that well now, but still, I mean, yeah. It weighs it down so that it won't tumble over. And then the leaves are down far enough that they're not going to get in the flame. So, that's a good thing. Let me go ahead and unplug that vicious monster. And then, of course, when it's not in use, there's what she looks like. What do you think? You like it? I think it's cute. So, that's another project. Oops. Didn't turn out, like I said, the way I wanted it to, but, hey, it's still cute. Look at that. Very cute. Okay. Let me go. Can you see all that? See how I did that? Pretty good. Yeah. Again, not what I started out to do, but it's still cute. I mean, I did with what I had. I'm going to run in here and grab my lighter, and I'll be right back. Okay. Yeah. Let's light this candle and see what it looks like. Let's light this candle and hope it don't set off my smoke detector. You see? Isn't that cute? Probably a lot cuter if I didn't have all this mess around, but look at that. Yeah. How about that? That's just cute. Okay. Well, that's the craft for today. I'll try to come up with some other things. And meantime, you all share your stuff. Let us know what's going on with your crafting. Okay? Give me some comments down in the bottom. And again, would you please subscribe? Hit that subscribe button. And let's get this channel going. A lot of cooking on it. Crafting now. Just, we are a multitude of vlogging. Oh, yeah, I like it. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. Okay. Well, let's see if I can get this right. I really don't know if I've got it right or not. You all have a good day and a better tomorrow. Keep on crafting. And for those of you that love it, keep on cruising. Enjoy the rest of your day. See ya.